Alright, good luck, guys. Box Warren, we got Thor Rider 08. It's going to be your box. And we've got WiiDiis. It's going to be your box. Good luck to both of you. I don't think I got an answer on whose we're opening first. So, I'm just going to cut one. WiiDiis first, Thor says. He was first to respond. I'm going with it. Alright. Good luck, man. How about this, WiiDiis? I'll open one mini box and then we'll jump over and open one of Thor's mini boxes. That work for you? Let me know while I'm opening this one if you want to open them all at the same time. Okay, let's do that then. We'll keep it even. Keep the suspense going, I guess. Alright, this is going to be WiiDiis mini box. Good luck. One of your mini boxes. And we've got a best overall value, is what you guys determined. Thank you both. Good luck, guys. So card numbering does not matter. Got Nolan Ryan, gold to 99. Whoa, fumble. It's getting late. Justin Morneau, 49 of 650. Joe Mauer, Ricky Henderson, Hank Aaron base. Off the back, numbered to 36. Good luck. 32 of 36, Craig Biggio. 3K Club. It's pretty nice. Got some pinstripes in there. Craig Biggio, 32 to 36 is winning so far. And your auto WiiDiis is going to be numbered to 99. Erickson Profar, 29 and 99. Alright, so this is going to be WiiDiis mini box. Thor, we're going to open one of your mini boxes now. Thor, first mini box, good luck to you. Got Biggio in the lead right now. Oh gosh, so heavy. Good luck, Thor. Felix Hernandez, 77 and 99, and George Brett, 82 of 650. Base Kershaw, Robin Yount, Willie Mays. Off the back to game over. Oh, he said game over, Thor. 22 of 36, Craig Kimbrell. Next hit, good luck. Tony Cingrani, 23 of 75. Woo. Thor just shut it down with Cingrani. Alright, back to WiiDiis mini box. So again, this is WiiDiis mini box right here. That's funny. You guys are as bad as I am with baseball. You got a David Price dinged corner on the parallel here. Alright, good luck, WiiDiis. 141 of 250. David Wright and David Price, 6 of 650. Base Adrian Gonzalez. Verlander. Toy Hunter. Relic off the back. Strasburg, 8 of 18. Steven Strasburg. One color. And next hit. Actually, this is your last hit, WiiDiis. Good luck. For the Yankees. Michael Pineda, 40 of 50, future phenom with some pinstripes. Michael Pineda. Alright, so Thor, this will be your last one. Good luck. Oh, they're saying not good, WiiDiis. I don't know, man. I don't know. Saying your Biggio is your best hit. Pineda's pretty bad, huh? Is he? It may not matter. This one feels a little heavy. Got two pretty fat ones. Thor might win. I don't know. There's two pretty fat ones in there. Just like that guy, Pablo Sandoval to 125, 18 of 125. David Freese 262 of 650. Wade Boggs, Justin Morneau, Yogi Berra. Oh wow, this one was fat for no reason. Look at that. Casey Kelly, 1 of 9. 1 of 9, Casey Kelly, big ol' one color. And good luck. Oh, he just shut it down on you, WiiDiis. I'm sorry. I think he just shut it down on you. Oh! Oh! 101 Machado. Dirty. Whoa. Nice hit, Thor. Orioles phenom. Manny Machado, 101. Yeah, it's pretty darn nice. Pretty darn nice card right there. Alright, thanks again, guys.